Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Forms and signing into the account you will use. This ensures responses collect to the right drive. Next, click blank to create a new form and type a clear title and short description so respondents know the purpose. Once done, pick a theme color and header image to set tone. This helps response rates. Make sure to set form language and time zone if needed, because those affect date questions and respondent clarity. Now you add content. Choose question types based on the data you need. Short answer for names, multiple choice for single answers, checkboxes for many. For each question, set required when an answer is essential and use response validation to enforce numbers, emails, or length. This prevents bad data. To manage flow, insert sections and apply branching rules so respondents skip irrelevant questions. If you repeat similar items, use the Import Questions tool to save time and maintain consistency. Finish by configuring collection and delivery. Under Settings, toggle Collect email addresses if you need identity, and limit to one response per person if required. Then click Send to copy the link, email it, or embed the form on a site. Choose anyone with the link if external respondents are allowed. Monitor the Responses tab or link to Google Sheets for analysis and backups. If responses stop arriving, make sure sharing permissions are correct. The form isn't restricted to a different domain, and confirm the link hasn't been edited.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.